Ryan here, Silly Reviews. We're going to talk about this hanger holder. You put it up on the wall and you hang stuff to it. 2 screws, easy as that. Interesting story goes along with this. The full name, Spectrum Diversified 35,000 6-hook hanging organizer, just under $10. This is the InstaHanger, $22.99. That was the original purchase. I said, hold on a second. I got to find something cheaper with the same idea. And I did, and I saved over half the price and just returned the InstaHanger. So we'll kind of take a look here at the installation process. What's going on here is the laundry room has where you can hang stuff over the washer and dryer, except for you try to hang a shirt, you try to hang some jeans, and they're draped all over the washer and dryer. It just was not working out. So I'm going to have to move this picture that I have, and then we're going to put the hanger holder up there and see if a savings of, how much was that? Like 55% based on that as seen on TV one. Was it worth it? Was it worth the hassle? We're going to find out. We're going to put it up there. Some tools you're going to need if you want to do it right. Probably get yourself a way to level it. Find yourself a stud. You don't want to start hanging a bunch of jeans and jackets and it rips out the sheetrock. You want to put it in through a stud. Now look the way this works. When you want to release it, when it's up there on the wall, you can fold it up, kind of save some space, get out the way. Maybe you don't run your eye into it. When you fold it up, it'll catch itself. It'll kind of fall into a groove. And then you just lift up and it comes down. So here's a Franklin Sensors. Where did this come from? Harbor Freight? Stud finder, not sure. It also detects electrical current. So if you have wires going across that stud that you're trying to drill into, this would tell you. So there's our spot. The picture's going to be in the way because we need to put it right around shoulder level. I've got a drill. I've got a level. Got some bits. Got a pencil. And I have, that's a little piece from an InstaHang. That's how I hung that picture, is with the InstaHang. Thank you, Darth Thrifter. So here we go. Been working on where exactly I wanted to put this. And now it's up there. It's done. It is solid. It is sturdy. And I tell you, I'm recording this commentary here months after installing it, and it still works perfectly. The savings are real. The savings are real. This is a big time 2 thumbs up on this one. So now we can hang things and then take them out of there and go put them in their rightful closet. So that's the Spectrum hanger holder. Find that on Amazon. I'll try to remember to put a link in the description. $9.88 with Amazon Prime is the current going price. Ryan, Silly Reviews, 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching. By the time 09 rolled around, I was looking up consent ages in my local town. 16 would be sweet, and you know I couldn't wait 6 more years and Raymond would have a date. I asked Dad for his blessing and he hesitated. He was begging me to wait, so we had a debate. Daddy let me penetrate. How about